of this girl kasi marami siyang achievement. So, nagpo-model siya. She's yes.
Mag-artista na
Yeah, mag-artist. Ay, hindi pwede. And she's a corporate host as well. Ayan, nandito yung boss namin, si Boss Emma, si Boss G. And of course, yung team niya yung Combined Concepts. So, welcome po to the team, Combined Concepts. More power to you guys. Ayan, and of course, si Evel, sobrang proud ako dito. Dami niyang achievement. And I think mga 2 months ago, she was asking me advices about how this book will happen. Kasi I love books, I always read books. So, she was asking me, what will she do because she wanted to be an author and she wanted her book published. Sabi ko sa kanya, I love books, but reading book is different from writing a book. So, hindi ko kaya yung ginawa niya. Sobrang amazed ako. So, yeah, hindi ko kaya yung ginawa niya. I really love books. Kaya this is the best book that I will ever have in my possession. I really love books. And ang problema, tinatanong niya ako how to become an author. Ako mismo hindi ko kaya yun. Kaya for the very first time in my life na humingi siya ng advice, ngayon lang ako walang nasabi. Kasi hindi ko kaya yung ginawa niya. And that is super amazing for a dad. Yes. And because of that, may regalo ko sa kanya. Recently, she's collecting cups. Parang trip na trip niya mag-cup. Di ba bakit ba? Yeah,
It's cool.
I think it started when she was playing golf, I think. Yung traditional golf. Diba? So, cup ka. So, yung sun will not go in the way of your eyesight para ma-hit mo yung ball. Diba? Parang gano'n. So, yan. Mahilig siya sa cup. Nakailang cup na siya. She's collecting cup. So, as a present for you, yung gusto mo na pag-usapan natin.
Oh, yeah!
Itong cup na to, way back in 1999, I bought this kind of cup before. Pero hindi bagay sa akin, Patrick. Hindi bagay sa akin. If you're watching some MTV before, yung New Radicals, you're familiar with New Radicals. They're the band that made the song popular. Yung Someday We'll Know. New Radicals. Someday We'll Know. And they had a collab with Andy Moore, di ba? So ito, hindi bagay sa akin yung bucket hat. So this one is for you. Yeah.
Thanks, Dad! Oh my God!
Yeah, she really wanted. Kukulik siya ng hat ngayon.
Kasha ba?
Yan. Subayin na.
Pwede ba magtagdalong niya po? Wait lang.
Subayin na.
Wait lang,
Yan.
Dad. I love you, Dad.
Kaya hindi bagay sa akin yung ganito. Ginaya ko pa yung talagang forma ng vocalista ng New Radicals. Pero I don't know. Nasa face shape yata or face size or I don't know. Pero sa kanya, bagay na bagay. So this was for you, baby, for you. And sa family namin, when you give one kid a gift, hindi pwedeng yung iba wala. Kaya magastos dito.
Of course.
So, this celebration is not just for my middle kid. I want to celebrate all of my kids. So, palakpakan din natin yung isang anak ko na host.
Yeah!
Na Ashley.